This is a 2011 Impreza sedan. I'm gonna show you guys how to take the door panel switch out, door panel, mirror, and a door handle. You know, but I'm not gonna cram it all in one video, so you guys gotta scroll through it and look for it and all that. I'll break it up into little segments so you guys get to, you know, watch your 2 minutes instead of watching 10 minutes of garbage that you don't need. I'll get straight to the point on every video as fast as we can so you can get the job done and get out. Just a handy dandy, you know, screwdriver, pick, usually does the job. And Subarus are very similar. So there's a passenger door. I think it's 2008 to 11, all the same. There's a screw hole right here. Take out. If you want to remove the switch, it shouldn't take you more than 2 minutes. Boom. And then there's a little slot right here. If you stick your flathead out here, underneath here, right there, it will work. Those guys have these so there you go. Go ahead and unplug, pushing these clips down. These ones I have a hard time with, these big ones, so I push here and then pull the switch this way and this comes out. That's the door. That's how you take off the switch panel. If you got a new one, or if you wanted to, you know, press these guys out and pull these guys out of the actual colored piece. Maybe it's just scratched and you want to repaint it. You can pull these switches out literally by releasing the tension right here. These guys, just release these guys, that will pop out. And you can go ahead and paint it, put it all back together, or just buy a whole new one.